In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Slack notification in Notion. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Slack and Notion working together so you never miss an important update from your workspace. First, open Notion on your desktop or in your browser, and make sure you're logged into the correct workspace. Look at the very bottom of the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll find the Settings option. It might appear as Settings and Members or something similar, but it will always be in that lower left corner. Go ahead and click on that to open your workspace settings. Once the settings panel is open, you'll see a list of categories along the side. Look for the section labeled Notifications. This is where Notion controls how and where you get alerts about mentions, comments, and page changes. Click on Notifications to open the Notification Settings page. Inside the Notifications area, you'll see different options for email, mobile, and desktop alerts. What we're interested in is the integration with Slack. Scroll through the notifications settings until you find the Slack section. It might be grouped under Connected Apps, Integrations, or simply labeled Slack, depending on your version of Notion, but it will clearly mention Slack in the title. Before you turn anything on, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that you're using the Slack workspace you actually want to connect. You should already be a member of the Slack workspace that will receive the notifications. If you have multiple Slack workspaces, make sure you're logged into the correct one in your browser, because Notion may use that when authorizing the connection. Now, in the Slack section in Notion, you'll see a toggle switch that controls Slack notifications. By default, this is usually turned off. Simply click the toggle to turn it on. When you do this for the first time, Notion may prompt you to authorize access to Slack. Follow the on-screen prompts, allow the necessary permissions, and confirm the connection. This lets Notion send notifications directly into your Slack channels or direct messages, depending on how you later configure it in Slack. Once the toggle is on, your Slack notifications from Notion are enabled. From here, you can test it by mentioning yourself in a Notion page or making a small change that should trigger a notification, then checking Slack to confirm it appears. And that's it. You've successfully turned on Slack notification in Notion.